Hey friends, this is another short video regarding one of the issues which we faced during our Unified Service Desk, one of our Unified Service Desk project, and this falls under a very strange issue because everything was working fine, the system was in production, and and uh, and everything was good. Okay, especially in the non-prod environment, everything was fine. Even in the prod, everything was working fine, and we made a decision to sync up our different systems, and we did a refresh from our production instance to our staging instance, and the lower instances actually. So what happened is, as soon as this refresh was happened from higher environments, some of the users started getting a very strange error, just like the error which you're seeing in the screen right now, which mentions application host here no configured apps, and no applications are configured for your use. So this normally happens when Unified Service Desk was configured, not configured in any of the CRM instance, and somebody is trying to access the same instance. Normally this error happens, and that is something which we all know, right? But this started all of a sudden, that too for not for all the users, only for a specific set of users, and that was a little really strange for us. So as soon as this issue was reported, we started our troubleshooting steps normally, how we does, right. So some of the steps which we did was regarding comparing the different privileges the same user has, the roles which they are assigned to, and also we compared between those people whom it is working and not working, and everything seems to be similar. The another one which we tried was removing the client cache version in the non-prod environments to make sure nothing is wrong with the configuration which is being cached in the local machines for Unified Service Desk. So that particular item has been removed and asked the user to try, but still they were getting the issue. Then we try to forcefully reset the cache version for a specific user that we did using the global options and the user settings available for within the Unified Service Desk. And also we tried changing the client cache version. So that was the first step we tried. Then we deleted it, and then we asked them, and then we force reset it. We did it, and also I tried to since none of these steps were working. I asked the end user to delete the USD local folder. So you might be aware that uh, when we are actually running Unified Service Desk, it creates a folder in our app data. Okay, in the roaming profile for the same user, one folder will be created. It looks something like this, with the default files which has all the tokens, configurations, and default USD, and all those things are actually captured in this local roaming folder. And I asked them to delete this particular folder, all of it, so that nothing is taken from the previous uh, in any of the configurations which we have. Because my thought was like, might be any of these files which might have got corrupted was causing this issue. That was my first thought, uh, which actually worked. Okay, and to my surprise, out of the two users who reported this issue, for one of the user it worked. Okay, as soon as they deleted this particular folder and then they restarted the Unified Service Desk, it worked for the person, but for the other person it didn't work. So that was a little confusing, but because I was not aware of any other thing which we can look into, and also, since it was taking time and it is in the staging environment, due to the time constraints, we had to raise a Microsoft ticket from the customer side, and they raised it, and we were actually waiting for their suggestions. So some of the suggestions which Microsoft gave was actually, it might happen when one USD machine is trying to connect to different CRM organizations, or if one local machine is used for by multiple people. See, to be frank, personally, I don't agree to this, but still, when they are saying that, there might be some reason for that. Uh, the reason being, this could cause conflicts with the USD configuration file and user tokens file in the cache folder, causing errors which we saw just now. And also, Microsoft never recommended to do the caching enablement for non-production environment, which is which is something which I just mentioned because it might cause configuration corruptions at some point of time. If the above two are followed, and still if you are facing this issue in the lower environments, uh, the similar way how I deleted this same folder, there is one more folder which Microsoft recommends to delete actually. So as I mentioned, the deletion of this folder actually helped one of the user, but it didn't help the other user. So the possibility could be the other folder which Microsoft suggested might be having that. So that is this folder. So if you see local app data, Microsoft Unified Service Desk, that is another local folder which stores this information. So we may have to go there and delete this particular folder as well. So I'm not deleting this folder right now because it is my machine and I don't have any issues. I don't want to delete unnecessarily. Even if I'm deleting, this is not a problem. It will recreate when I'm relaunching USD once again. And to our surprise, after deleting these two folders, it actually started working for the other user also, and they never faced this issue. So I thought I'd share this issue so that this solution which we got both from the Microsoft as well as something through our troubleshooting as well. Because if you search for the same error in Google, you may get a lot of other scenarios and other users who face this issue. But this solution, this particular solution, especially the deletion of the second folder, I never found anywhere else actually. So I thought it's worth sharing with you people, and somebody will be will may get it as useful. So I thought of sharing this. I hope it helps some of my viewers actually. So thank you.